Teacher where they walk, na supposed to be chop. Not to just lie for that get small head. Tracy, come here.
Uncle, good evening,
Come on,
sir.
go Uncle me. Come, let's begin the class.
I would be right back, sir.
Leave the mathematics. Let's move to English language. I know you are tired of this math. Now, where's the English notes?
Uncle Kojo, I was expecting to see you today, so I prepared some food for you. Tracy, hope you are getting your assignments.
Yes, Mommy. Uncle Kojo is really a good teacher.
Tracy, where's the food I asked you to feed the dogs outside?
I kept it on the dining table.
Okay, continue with your work. Let me do it myself.
I hope say no be wetin I the reason just happen no.
This girl, you are too playful. So you have given the food to the dogs and you dropped the plate on the table.
Teacher where they walk, na supposed to be chop. Not to just lie for that get small head. Kojo, don't chop that food. You don't know what God has provided for you.
Uncle Kojo, should I bring your food? What's going on here? I remember mixing the dog food as requested by the doctor so that the dog can bark properly when thieves are around. Hope it's not what I'm thinking. Wonderful!
You don't laugh finish, you just want the wrong go. No, now press that red button to subscribe. Yes, that red button, press on to subscribe. Now yeah, press that bell. That school bell, press am to the get our notification so that I go there among the first person to see our skits. Now if you dey go, thank you. A lawyer.